Okay, so today what we have here is the Edifier X3. I have heard a lot of good things about this thing because of its price and what value it offers. So today, I just want to know how good it actually sounds with my own ears. Never cut towards yourself. So the box is actually surprisingly tiny, I forgot to mention that. Nothing much to highlight. Yeah, I'm just going to leave this aside for now. And inside what we have here is a pack of silica gel. And then user manual, not gonna touch that. Ear tips, also not gonna touch that for now. Micro USB charging cable. Why? Charging case. Pretty okay quality, I would say. So, looking at the earbuds, I don't know why there's an X here, maybe X3, because the name X. Yeah. The one thing I realized is that the charging pins are very recessed, that is to match this thing. Wow, the pogo pins are really sticking out. But okay, another thing that I realized here is that the ear tips, by default, it's definitely too big for me. I'm gonna change it for a while. So now I've changed the ear tips and I'll just leave it here for now. Let's talk about the charging case a little. It can stand by its own, which is a nice feature, surprisingly, because a lot of earbuds manufacturers make their case either pebble shaped or with a charging port at the bottom. I don't know why. This is actually a very sensible design. The charging port is at the back, but it's using micro USB, like what we mentioned here, which I think they should have moved on to USB Type-C now, because all of the phones are using Type-C, even mid-range and entry-level ones. So let's just pair and see how this thing actually sounds. Okay, so overall it's pretty typical. Just go into the Bluetooth menu, pair it, and one thing I realized is that only the left side appears in the Bluetooth pairing menu. So I paired that, and the right side automatically talks to the left side as well. So yeah, it's kind of a usual situation here. So the first thing I want to test here is the sound. So let me just go through and test with Big Band Jazz. Doesn't sound too bad though. The sparkles highs is not there, but still manageable. Let me just try some other music as of now, more bass heavy ones. Kind of thumpy, kind of bassy, punchy. Vibrations are not really there, but still very good in terms of bass. I wouldn't complain that much because I'm not much of a bass lover anyway. Let's go with something more vocal bass and see what's up. Vocals are definitely a bit muddled. It's dragged down to the bass frequency quite noticeably, but still rather distinct from everything else. Not too bad, I would say. Yeah, the vocals definitely could be better. The Edifier X3 also has touch bass functionality, so let me just press it for now, and then you can see the music plays and pause. Double press. Okay, go to the next one. What about triple pressing? Okay, goes back. So I presume it's the same for this side as well? Yeah, okay, so it is the same on both sides, but the sensitivity is not that good. You need to really press the entire surface of the touch sensitive panel here. So yeah, do touch it with your larger part of your fingertips and not the tip itself. So one more thing I want to test here is the audio latency. So I'm just going to do a real quick test here because I downloaded an app and then it's actually pretty good. So as you can see here, they have a meter and then you can hear the audio coming out of this. Then you can compare when the audio comes out. From what I can see here, it's about 400 milliseconds, and then it also says the audio is way too late. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely see and hear the delay. It's tangible. So definitely not that good if you want to play some intensive games like PUBG Mobile, because when you shoot, you have to wait for quite a long time before you can actually hear the gunshot. So I think that's it. That's what I really want to say about the Edifier X3. For its price, it's definitely a very budget-friendly pair of true wireless earbuds, especially for the sound that it offers. In terms of features, it's pretty basic. As for audio latency, please don't use this for gaming because it's very obviously delayed. Yeah, pretty solid. And one thing I like about it is the compactness. It's kind of flat and also very small. Yep. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.